welcome back to my channel. Hi, this is Janie Gandhi. I'm an image consultant, a style curator and a sustainable style advocate. On this channel, we talk about real, relatable, wearable styling ideas, something that you can utilize for your day-to-day life. Now, I love talking about fashion, and when I say that fashion, I also feel that fashion is you, fashion has to be who you are. But the second most important part of fashion is how can we be sustainable in our own wardrobes, ठीक है? तो if you have seen कि one white shirt how to wear 20 ways, या तो फिर one black shirt how to wear 20 ways, या तो I have also done videos on कि एक साड़ी को 3 different style में how can you tie and make use of that sari, or utilize your silk sarees into cocktail sarees and not just for festivities. The idea is कि हम सबके पास बहुत है. We have enough things we have bought. I mean, I really in my life I only know 2 people who have really minimalist wardrobes. I don't know anyone else who have minimalist wardrobes. One is my client and one is my sister. They truly have minimalist wardrobes. But besides that, I am telling you कि हम सबके पास enough है. तो मैंने सोचा कि फेस्टिविटीज तो शुरू हो गई है. there's going to be Diwali and then there's going to be Christmas and then next year. तो why not teach you how to buy the perfect skirt which can be useful for your fusion wear, for your ethnic wear and everything in between. ठीक है? So I'm starting this with this skirt. ये skirt अभी भी available है. I'm going to add the link down. It's from the store W. And when I saw the skirt on Myntra, and I realized कि अच्छा इस पे तब वीडियो करना ही पड़ेगा because this skirt I have used it in like 10,000 different ways, not literally, but I have used it in so many ways कि मुझे लगा कि already ways ready है. Why don't you just invest in a piece like this and understand the thought process behind it? Okay, so starting with the story. मैंने ये skirt इसलिए buy करी थी क्योंकि नवरात्रि जब करते थे तो my sister used to send me this piece from Ahmedabad and बहुत सस्ता होता था कि नवरात्रि स्कर्ट है, तुम 1 या 2 सीजन पहनो और फेंक दो. एंड देन आई फेल्ट के यार वाई दैट नवरात्रि स्कर्ट आई वेयर 1 or 2 नाइट्स इन अ ईयर, दैट्स इट. 2 साल मतलब 2 साल में आई वेयर 4 बार एंड देन थ्रो इट अवे क्योंकि फैब्रिक नहीं अच्छा था, द डाई यूज टू द कलर यूज टू रन एंड इन जनरल दो स्कर्ट्स यू कांट वेयर एनीवेयर एल्स. तो फिर मैंने सोचा कि अगली वाली नवरात्रि में आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू बाय दैट टिपिकल नवरात्रि स्कर्ट, बट आई एम गोइंग टू बाय अ स्कर्ट जिसको मैं मल्टीप्लाई कर सकती हूँ दूसरी चीज़ों में पहनने के लिए. ओके, सो दैट्स द थॉट व्हाई आई बॉट दिस स्कर्ट. नाउ इफ यू लुक एट द स्कर्ट हैज दिस बेज, ब्लैक, रेड एंड अ हिंट ऑफ पिस्ता ग्रीन सॉर्ट ऑफ अ थिंग. वाइट नहीं है, ब्लैक एंड बेज है और गोल्ड भी इतना हल्का सा है, जैसे ये थोड़ा सा टिकी वर्क है और हल्का सा गोल्डन थिंग है. तो ये वाले स्कर्ट पे ना gold and silver both accessories look nice. Like whatever I want to wear, दोनों accessories look nice because gold भी ना matte gold है, no, it's not very bright gold जैसे वो टिकली sarees नहीं होती. So it's not something which is extremely bright. Hence gold and silver दोनों jewelry जाते हैं. So the idea is, जैसे I've told this in my earlier video on why do we have too many things but we don't wear, is because we don't strategize what we have in our wardrobe and what is missing. So whenever you want to buy a skirt, buy a full length skirt. A full length skirt ensures that you can wear it for ethnic places and you can also wear it for your other events, like a casual thing, or you want to wear it just for like a wedding, pre-wedding, fusion wear. So you can do both ethnic and fusion. You'll never be able to do total Western because it's an ethnic skirt, but you're able to create multiple looks within this. First is the length. The second thing that you're doing is the color. Don't experiment ki I want to buy a neon skirt. If your basics are sorted, then go and buy a trend. But if your basics are not sorted, if it's your first skirt, then I'll say go and buy basic colors. A black and white is a great thing because you could do so many black and white tops with layered with jewelry, and you can go from casual to classic in like a jiffy. The third thing that you need to understand is the fabric. Please make sure that you buy as much घेरा as you're comfortable in. मुझे ना ये 6 कली वाला घेरा ही चाहिए था. I did not want like a very flamboyant घेरा, so I bought this simple one. लेकिन if you're comfortable and you want like a huge घेरा, go pick that up. Fabric is important. Don't buy fabric that is transparent. Don't buy fabric that is sticking to your body. Buy a fabric like mine is a cotton blend. This fabric is such that it doesn't stick to my body. It gives a nice A-line. So when it gives me a nice A-line, it makes sure that it hugs my curves properly. So whenever you're buying skirt, ये 3 चीज़ें याद रखना, that you remember the length, you remember the color, buy extremely subtle, simple colors. कुछ नया नहीं होना चाहिए उस कलर में. And the third thing is look for great fabric. Once all these things are sorted, you will see to it that you're wearing it multiple ways. I'm adding some clips here to show you ये skirt मैंने कितनी बार पहना है and where all I have worn this skirt. That will give you some ideas. If you're forever confused ना कि what is basic for me, what is my personal style और ये सारा, तो I have a digital course यार. Just go and buy that course. It's an extremely पैसा वसूल course. It has 92 styling videos, something that is only for you. You know, the YouTube videos have to be very generic because I don't know who my audience is. But when you buy that course, the course is designed in a way that step by step each thing works just for you. I'm adding a 10% discount here. Go buy the course, avail this discount, and that's it. If you have liked what you've seen so far, please give this video a big fat thumbs up. Till I see you next time. Oh, enjoy the festivities, eat a lot of laddus, don't think about weight and calories or anything. Festival is to have fun with family and friends. Bye bye.